Afternoon, everyone. This is Matt over at MilestoneCapitalGrowthPortfolio.com. Today is Monday, November 10th. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed those 3 videos we put out this morning, and a couple other charts also, but not on video. That's just a taste of what you get in the chat room. We've had about 10 people ask about a free trial. I apologize that we do not do free trials, only because the information that we have on our forums and other areas has taken us years to develop. Also, there's scan codes on there to get some of these stocks ahead of time, and we've built these over the years, and we just really don't want to give those out. So try us out for 6 months, $290. You could see by the 3 charts we did today, the videos this morning, they were all extremely lucrative. Actually, PCLN's about 400% right now, and you can look at. We'll take a look at the others that I put out there also. Okay. Members, we have a great video tonight. We're going to take a look at the Dow and the SPY also, and about 4 or 5 other trade setups, along with some of the ones that we alerted in the chat room today. All right, let's get right to it here. We have PCLN, beautiful move from this morning, like we called. We're watching these bottoms here, and all we needed to do to make things really happen is break this middle Bollinger Band, and it closed up $26 for the day, which is fantastic. Now we have the 50-day moving average in the way next at 1144. We should blow right through that and march all the way back up to this area. We have the gap that we want to close at 1197. So let's ride this all the way up, see how much money we can make on it. Looks really good so far, but great pattern trade, great alert. It's still in a downtrend, and it's that simple. If you switch over to the monthly, and you can see, a little clearer what you're looking at here, and this doesn't belong here right now, but you can see that it is in a downtrend, and all we're doing is bouncing off the middle Bollinger Band right here, and we have a gap on the daily chart, so we're going to use that as a reference point to make some nice money on. So until we break this line to the upside, we're still in that downtrend pattern. So on the daily, the relative strength index, by the time we get that gap closed, will be at 70, so we'll short it down again and play it to the downside. Okay, if you're not a member, become a member so you can get this stuff live all day long and get these tops and bottoms absolutely perfect. All right, Amazon is the next one. Amazon looks really good here. Amazon looks great right here, and you can see, let's get off this here. Let's get back to this daily. All right, pull this out a little bit. All right, Amazon broke the middle Bollinger Band like we were talking about today, and I got to get rid of this funky thing. Hold on one second. All right, goodbye. Okay, so Amazon is doing exactly what we thought it was going to do, and she broke that. She broke this middle Bollinger Band. Looks really good to come up to the 50-day moving average right now at 315. But like I said at the beginning, this morning's video, when we took a piece of this and said, all right, here's what's going to happen. Here's our target. Okay, we have the targeted gap close 311. That'll be this week, so that'll be really nice for the options that we took this morning. And then look at the 50-day moving average just above it. So I think we can even spike to 316, and then we're just going to have to see what happens after that. Relative strength index is in the mid area at 48 or 49, and your stochastics looks good, and also your derivative oscillator looks good. Once these start to turn to the downside, then we'll start peeling off and lock in our profits. A lot of people did that today on different stocks also. Good day in the chat room today. All right, QIHU. We have alerted this one today, and we got a 99 target on this one. I'm not supposed to be doing this one here, but that's okay. You can enjoy it. So we alerted this one today on the 50-day moving average break, and the consistent uptrend for this one. We have a beautiful gap that needs to get filled at 99, but with this broken right now, there's really nothing in the way until we get up to this 83 area. So once we get to 83, it's going to need a break. That's going to be the 100-day moving average. Watch that pull back down. Okay, well, let's do one more, IBM. All right, IBM looks really nice. We have a great gap on this one that we're going to go get, and we'll have to see what happens when we get up there to this 180 area. All right, again, there's a key area that we have to, this is definitely the bottom today, so we'll have to see what happens, but we're going to play the box setup, okay? And the only way we're going to get out of this box is if we break the middle Bollinger Band here with some volume. Okay, if we can't break it with volume, which I really think we do, and I really think we stop moving to the upside, because you can see here relative strength index has been oversold since this drop, and it's just been in accumulation mode. It's, you know, in this area right here. Drop this down. Okay, so here's really where you've been accumulating. So the minute we break out of this small box here, you'll have a little resistance with that candle, but not too much. But once you break the middle Bollinger Band, then we should really fly to the upside. So IBM looks really good for a nice swing trade. So grab those options, see what happens. If you were in them this morning on all these stocks, you did fantastic. All right, this is Matt over at Milestone Capital Growth Portfolio. Remember, try this out for 6 months. You're going to enjoy it. It's a great time. You're going to learn a lot, and all we do is focus on stocks. You know, there's 50 people in the chat room. There's 500 members. Nobody complains. Everybody enjoys themselves, and it's a superior learning experience. Okay, so we train your eye, and that's how you make money. Have yourself a great night, everyone.